Hello, and in this video I will show you how to import your other C++ files in your current C++ file. So for this, let's consider an example. I will use some function and it will call from another file in your current file. We will not use any C++ library. We will only use our local libraries that we will create in our own local PC or laptop, whatever. So let's get started. Sum.cpp. .cpp is the extension so that the compilers understand that it is a C++ file. Let's create it. Hash include. We will include the IOStream library so that we can print it on the screen, but we will not include any sum function from the C++ library. We will create it in our own files. Hash include sum func.cpp. It is showing an error, but we will solve it because we have not created any file yet. Using namespace std int main. Let's consider three variables. A contains 10, B contains 20, and another variable C which will store the result. Sum C equal sum, and we will pass these arguments over here. It is called function calling, and we will just print it on the screen. Sum of A and B is, we have stored the sum in the C file. We are just printing it C on the screen, and then return 0. Before we run our code, we'll have to create another file named sumfunc.cpp, which will help us form the declaration and definition of this function. So we'll write sumfunc.cpp, and we will write the same name of the function as we written here, sum. So we will write int sum, and we will pass the parameters like x and y, and we will here just return x plus y. So our program is completed. Just run our code now. Still showing an error. Okay, finish. Control Alt N. The sum of A and B is 30. So as you can see, our program is successfully compiled and it has imported file sumfunc.cpp from here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.